Hi guys, what we're gonna do today is a cheese platter. So we're gonna do it at home. So DIY siya. We have a loot coming from Hungry Cow. Ayan, sila ang aming go-to place para sa mga cheese and cold cuts. So what we have today is Truffle Honey. Then we also have Truffle Manchego. That's a semi-hard cheese. And then Pecorino Romano. That's a hard cheese. And we have Brie, which is a soft cheese. And Gouda. We have Gouda, which is a semi-soft cheese. And we have Salame Picante for our meat. So, i-arrange na natin siya. So, we usually do have the Salame Picante plus the Truffle Manchego and then the Brie and also the Gouda. What we do, inaayos natin siya to include soft cheeses, semi-hard cheese, and hard cheeses, no? So, halo-halo siya dyan. Depende sa kung ano yung gusto mo. So, for our family, this is our first time to try the Truffle Manchego. Naglalagay din kami ng nuts and dried fruits. Naglalagay din kami ng toasted almond bread. Ayan, para good complement. Plus, nalaman ko ito, yung truffle honey is also good as a combination with the cheeses and the cold cut. Of course, we like olives also. For this one, we have green olives, kaya yan din yung nilagay namin. Our DIY cheese platter is really a hit in the family. So whatever it is that's available, pwede nyong ilagay dito. Naglagay na rin kami ng crackers kasi malapit na maubos yung bread. If you have wine, that's also good para pang-complement sa cheeses and cold cuts. Of course, ako pa lang yung pwede kasi my daughters are all minors. Itong binili namin na set would make around 2 or 3 more cheese platters, no? So, for us, sulit na sulit. Kaya, for our family, mas prefer namin na gumawa ng sarili. But, of course, whatever works for you, diba? So, I hope na-inspire kayo na gumawa ng sarili nyong cheese platter. Thank you for watching, guys. So, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!